Right, today I'm making a baby soap, and I've already got my oils ready, and in this bowl I've got olive oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, and in this I've melted down shea butter, palm oil and coconut oil. So I'm now just going to add that all in the bowl. This should be really nice and moisturizing for a baby's skin, and I will be adding a very small amount of colloidal oats to make that even better for a baby's skin. So I've got the oats here, so I'm just putting that in now, and then I'll give that a bit of a zap, and after that I'll add in the live water. So just give it a quick mix, not adding any colour. Oops, helps if you turn it on. Right. So now I'm just going to mix in the live water. It's cooled right down, it's been sitting for quite a while. Put that straight in the sink. I like to make sure I get rid of that straight away. Anyway, back to mixing. It's coming up really nice and thick and creamy. Right, so that's come up really nice and thick and creamy. I am going to add just a very small amount of Bergomot essence, just a very small amount, so it'll have just a lovely light fragrance. Nothing too strong. This will smell fresh. It smells like a day spa. So it's nice and creamy. I've used a water discount on this one of 15%, given it's only a single colour. I'm not putting any colour in it. So it should set up quite well and quite quickly because of the discount. It looks really good. I've mixed a big batch, so if there's leftovers, I'm going to pipe on the top of this one just some cute little stars, but just using plain, no colour. So that seems nicely mixed. So I've got my mould here, so let's pour that in. And it's just going to fill up nicely. Excellent. Scrape that all out. on the side. Now I'll let that sit for a bit and then I'll come back and we'll texture it. Okay, so we'll see if we can move the camera down a little bit, if you can see that. Just texture the top a little bit to give it a bit of interest. It's still a bit soft, but that's okay. I just wanted to zhuzh it up a little. Anyway, here it is. Looks really good. Not a lot of perfume, but that's okay. Anyway, that's it for the baby soap, and catch you later. Bye.